one time for me. Of course, you may heard about these examples also. Sir, really luck is there, luck factor is there, luck factor is not there. Like this is something happened with me personally. All my family members went to the passport office, okay, for processing my passports. Do you know total how many members? Myself, my wife, Nagoor Sir wife, and then 5 kids. So total 9 members went. 9 members went. What happened is, same ID proofs, same thing. 3 members got the passport. 1 member got rejected. Same thing only. Where the problem is, the person who is processing that, because there is a what we call counters are there. 3 members went to one counter and 1 member went to another counter. Where we went to the counter 3 members, that person is a bit humble. He is always helping nature. Okay, seems to be correct, everything stamped, and then we got the passport. But the person who went to the other counter, that lady is very strict. Wow, she saw each and everything, and so on and so on and so on. So queried these things you require to submit, so she told that, then automatically, do you know, next time we went, again rejected. 3rd time, so got the passport. Do you have such type of experiences? Even in the visa interview also. Even in the visa interview. Yeah, visa interviews also. Arey, the people going to one counter, always stamped. But the person who is going to that counter, okay, even all the documents are good. But the lady who is taking visa interview, that lady maybe fighted with her husband in the morning, then automatically that effect is showing on us.
Yes, sir.
Are you accepting this statement?
Yes, sir.
Is there any wrong in my efforts?
No, sir.
Observe that. That morning, wife and husband fighted. That reflection, she is showing every person who is going to that counter rejected. Then what we have to do? Boss, it's a common. It's a very common. Okay, we require to continue again. Don't blame yourself. You are not required to blame yourself. That's not your mistake. That knowledge must be you have to get from this example. It's not our mistake. Okay.